First, thank you for saying yes. I shot you the text. You said yes, you wanted to learn more, so I'm going to get right into the meat of everything.
Hi, I'm Amber Olson-Rourke. I am the co-founder and chief sales marketing officer at Neura. I wanted to personally thank you for spending the time to learn more about our brand and our mission. And I wanted to walk you through some options that are available to you to experience the Neura difference. For some of you, you've probably seen our before and after pictures, the real results that we can provide to people. And we're able to do that with our clean meets performance approach. We use high concentration of clean ingredients. We have scientific patented ingredients in our products, and we really just are able to develop products that are unlike anything that you'll find on the market, which lead to these great results in skincare, hair care, and your wellness and fitness goals. So if you're wanting to experience some of those results, you can get started as a preferred customer. We have great perks for our preferred customers, including loyalty rewards, birthday gifts, and more. And for some of you, you not only want the transformation that the products bring, but you're also interested in some of the additional perks that come with being a brand partner. Neura has a modern social selling system. And what I mean by that is it's probably unlike other things that you've seen. This is a platform where you simply refer customers to your website and you get paid. There's no inventory to carry. There's no quotas or hidden fees. You're simply referring customers to products that you love and getting rewarded for it. And that's really the way people are discovering products nowadays, whether that's through social media or in real life. They're looking to their friends, family, and networks to recommend products that really work. And so even if you've never done anything like this before, not to worry, we have all of the training and tools necessary in order to help you start confidently sharing. And with Neura, this is a flexible model. So you can make of it what you want. If you simply want to sell the product and earn those rewards, you can do that. You can earn free product credits every single month, up to $140 that you choose how to spend, as well as up to 40% commissions on those referrals. Or you can decide to not only sell product, but to help others do the same. At Neura, we are an established leader in this industry. We have set many records. We just recently won 2 prestigious awards from Direct Selling News, the Impact Award for the company making the most impact in this industry, and our CEO, Jeff Olson, won the Leadership Award for being the top leader in this industry. So right now, we are in our next expansion phase. We have aggressive growth goals, and you have the opportunity to be a part of that, to be a pioneer, because most people have still not heard about our brand, but to do that with an established, safe company. So I'm going to walk you through one possible roadmap of what it might look like as a brand partner. Now, again, the platform is very flexible and you can arrive to these different rewards in many different ways. So I'm going to show you just one option. But it all starts by becoming a brand partner. When you start as a brand partner, you get access to our most discounted product packs. You also lock in the most discounted pricing for Neura products for forever. So step 2 is really to start sharing the Neura products to customers. When you get to 3 customers, you're earning those free product credits. When you get to 9 customers, you're earning a monthly $150 bonus. And then it's all about really helping people do the same thing you just did. So when you help 3 other people also refer 9 customers, you're now earning $1,000 a month in commissions. And that is really meaningful, right? That changes some of the choices and some of the pressures that exist in people's lives. But it doesn't stop there. You simply help 3 people do what you just did in step 2. So helping 3 people do what you just did in step 2, you're now car bonus qualified, which is really cool. That's up to $500 a month that goes to a car bonus. All in with all of your commissions, that's a total of $2,600 a month by completing step 3. We also have some great other one-time rewards that are available right now. You would get a $1,500 rank advancement bonus for completing step 3. And on top of all of that, you would earn an all-inclusive trip for 2 to Tulum, Mexico. This is for 2 people, so you can take whoever you want on this trip. It's a super luxurious resort, and everything is taken care of. The food, the entertainment, the transportation, all of the things. And so again, this is just one path to getting to these different rewards. One of the great things about Neura is very flexible. There's no real structured requirements into building it how you want to do it, but there's some really cool things on the table for you as a new brand partner. So today, whether you choose to just be a supporter of whoever invited you to learn this information and support their entrepreneurial dreams, we really appreciate that support. For some of you, you're excited to get started transforming your skin, your hair, your health and fitness goals. And we're excited to help support you on that journey. And for some of you, you see a bigger vision of the impact Neura can make on your life and the lives of others. And we are thrilled to welcome you as a Neura brand partner and to help you earn these exciting rewards that we have available right now. So thank you so much for coming and spending time today learning more about Neura.
Hey, thanks for making it this far. That's amazing. We have some awesome products. I can share with you some of my own testimonials if you want to get back to me about the products, about the business, and how it's been going for us. I use the EHT, the anti-aging of the brain stuff. I use the eye serum when I go out for my eyes when I know I'm going to be taking pictures. I use the Youth Factor stuff for if it stops hangovers, believe it or not, because it's full of nutrients and everything. There's the day and the night cream. There's all kinds of good stuff, okay? So if you'd like to get some samples and have this stuff on your skin and try it, I can send it to you. Also, my wife, she has these sipping samples where you can come to our place. You're gonna have snacks, you're gonna have some wine or whiskey, whatever you wanna try. And on top of all that, you'll be able to sample the products and get to try before you buy. That's the awesome beauty about this